Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the Marathon ADANAC General Purpose Digital Watch. ADANAC, A-D-A-N-A-C. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. It's basically Canada spelt backwards. Marathon watches are based out of Canada. As with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the packaging like, what's the quality like, etc. So let's take a look at it. This is a 48 millimeter watch, so it's going to be pretty big in size. And that it is. Wow, it is huge. Let's take a look at everything we get. So we've got the box. An instruction booklet. Now this shouldn't be too complicated of a watch. There's really not a whole lot of features on it. It's basically built in terms of ruggedness. It is extreme shock resistant. It is water resistant to 28 atmospheres of pressure, 200 meters, 660 feet. And then there's really not a whole lot else to that. You've basically got a backlight. You've got dual timers, stopwatch, timer, and then it looks like they give you an information booklet about marathon watches. Now I think most people are tuning in or that are familiar with marathon watches are familiar with their GSAR or their Tritium models. They're kind of known for those models, but they have various other clocks and watches. Let's take a look at the watch itself. So give me a second here to figure out the best way to get it out of here. So I've had various other watches before. I wanted just an inexpensive watch to bang around in. It wasn't a smartwatch, didn't have too many complicated features, barometer, altimeter. I wasn't interested in any of that stuff. Just a basic watch. So. And there's the watch. Got some plastic on the screen. Wow, it's pretty cool. The screen is nice and legible. That was the main thing I was going for. A lot of these watches these days are so hard to see. Show you the case back. Not a whole lot to it. I actually had a GSAR years ago in the automatic case back. Was very much the same way. No logos, nothing fancy with marathon watches. So I have pretty small wrist. We'll see. I've got 6.5 inch wrist. That's what it basically looks like on my wrist. Now I'm just opening it. Unfortunately, I don't know how to use the features. If I figure it out, maybe I'll follow up with some videos on how to use the features of the watch. Let's see, I know some of you are interested in the light out there. Maybe I can press the backlight just to show you. Nice and bright, stays on for a pretty good while. Anyway, that is a quick unboxing. I hope it helps.